Well, hello girls. This is coming to the last week of term, which means that we're getting ready to go on summer holidays. So I just wanted to give you my last video message of the year from beautiful Braehead here, where it's an absolutely gorgeous evening. And I just want a few little messages to give to you as we close up for the end of the term. We haven't been together since the 12th of March, but that doesn't mean we haven't stayed connected through the Alex Connections Press and through Zoom and Google Classroom and so on. And I want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you, from the youngest in preschool lower all the way up to J6. Well done, girls. You have worked so hard for your teachers and you have contributed so much wonderful work for the Alex Connections Press. I am so proud of each and every one of you. So well done. I also want to say huge congratulations to all those who entered the Junk Art Challenge. My goodness, what fabulous work you did. So in today's newsletter, an email that I sent to your parents, the results will be in that, and you can see, but it doesn't matter whether you won or not, you did a great job in just entering. But the prize winners are in that. You receive your prizes when we're back in school. And also all the pictures of the winners will be in this week's newsletter. So well done to all of you. So things are improving, girls, all round, and we're told now not to stay home as much, but we can stay local, and that's really important. We need to keep up and keep doing what we're being asked to do. On a sad note, I wanted to say huge condolences to the Bowles family. Lauren and Lily's granddad died on the weekend, so let's keep Lauren and Lily and her family in our prayers this week. So before you finish on Friday, I want you to do a few things, girls. This is all about showing how grateful and how thankful you are. Please make sure you say thank you to all your teachers. They have worked so hard for you for the last few months, so please make sure you say thank you. Please make sure you say thank you to your parents for all the support they've given you over the last, and for all their endless patience with you over the last few months. And I want you to make sure that you take time to do that over the next while. To the families who are leaving us, I want to say we're very sorry you're going. Some are going back to Australia, some are going back to the US, so we'll miss you, but always stay in touch, very importantly. And then normally at this time of the year, when it comes to our assembly on the last day, we do our big happy birthdays for all the girls who were born in June, July and August. So to all those girls who are celebrating birthday, and the teachers of course too, a happy birthday to all of you, and I hope when your time does come during the summer, your birthday comes, that you have a super day. So finally, to our J6s, they're getting ready for their special farewell assembly on Thursday afternoon. I want to wish them all the best and thank them again for all that they've done. And finally, I just want to say to you all to have a lovely summer with your families. Enjoy, relax. You did a great job this term, and I look forward to seeing you all in person at the end of August. So happy summer, and remember, girls, always choose kind.